Hello, good morning, and welcome to Morning Circle. I'm so glad that you could join me today. Friends, today we're going to go through our calendar. We're going to do our days of the week. We're going to do our weather. We're going to do some writing, some skip counting, and we're just going to have a lot of fun singing our songs. So if you're ready to get started, I am too. Let's get going with our calendar. We always start with the month. Our month is, do you remember? It's April. It starts with a capital A-P-R-I-L. April. Can you spell that with me? A-P-R-I-L. April. All right. So we're going to put our month right up at the top of the calendar where it goes. And we are going to look and count how many days of the week we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Friends, there are 7 days in our week. 5 weekdays, 2 weekend days. Today, for our Days of the Week song, we're going to do our Days of the Week go round and round. So remember to do the round and round with your muscles as you say the words for each day of the week and the words to the song. Are you ready? The days of the week go round and round, round and round, round and round. The days of the week go round and round, start all over again. The first day of the week is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they start all over again. All right. So friends, do you know what day of the week today is? It's Monday. So I'm going to get our chart and I'm going to bring it over so that we can see. And we're going to get our sentences all set. Okay? So, if today is Monday, yesterday was, do you remember? It was Sunday. So let's find Sunday. It starts with the S sound. What letter is that goes S? Sunday, S. All right, so it starts with an S. So we're going to put that in there. Yesterday was Sunday. Good job. So we talked about today, and today's Monday. So you hear the sound. My lips are together, and they're going So we know the letter for that is going to be in So I'm going to put my M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, right here, because today is Monday. All right, so if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. And it's going to start with the letter T. Tuesday. So I'm going to put our Tuesday right in here. All right, and let's read our sentences. I'll read each sentence first and then repeat it after me, okay? Yesterday was Sunday. Let's do it together. Yesterday was Sunday. Good job. Today is Monday. Okay, together. Today is Monday. Nice. Last one. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's do it together. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Good job. So friends, now that we know that today is Monday, I'm going to put this over here and we're going to find where we need to count to in order to put our date for today. So here we go. Sunday, Monday. Here's Monday. I'm going to go down until I have my first blank Monday. Here it is. So we're going to count to here. You ready? Start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and today is 20. Good job. So, is it a rain cloud or a sunny umbrella? Let's look at our pattern. Umbrella, rain cloud, 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 umbrella, and a rain cloud. Good job. So we'll put our rain cloud here. Now, friends, Something new that we're going to do this week is we're going to count by either even or odd numbers, and we're going to count by twos. So we're only going to count today our even numbers, which means we're only going to count the rain clouds. Say the numbers with me as I point to them, and we're going to start working on that. Are you ready? Only the rain clouds, no umbrellas. Let's look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Was that faster or slower than when we counted by ones? Did we get to 20 faster than when we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We did, didn't we? We skip count to make things go faster when we're counting a group of numbers. So in this case, we're counting even numbers because the number 20 ends in a 0 and it's even. So we could count our rain clouds and we can get to 20 pretty quick because we're only counting every other number. So thank you for trying some skip counting by twos with me today. I hope that we can get going and do that more often. Okay, so we have our 20th and we have our rain cloud pattern. Now we're going to do our calendar writing. All right, remember we use a skyline, an airplane line, which is the dashed line in the middle, and then we use our grass line, and then the bottom line is our worm line. Those are for our letters that go under the ground, like our Y's, lowercase y's, and G's, and J's. Okay, just a couple examples. All right, so friends, we haven't done it in a while because we haven't been together in a while to do it. So I thought today, before we do our writing, we should do our Where Do We Start Our Letter song. So if you remember it, you can sing it along with me. If not, we'll try to work it into our rotation so that you can keep remembering. Okay? Where do you start your letter? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you're gonna write a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Remember to start it at the top. Okay, so we're going to start our big capital T for today is at the top, which means we're starting at our skyline. All right, so let's get this up so you can see. And we're going to start right here. We're going to go from our skyline to our grass line and then go back up across our skyline for our capital T. Our sentences always start with a capital T. Next, we're going to do our O, airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line. Then we're going to do our D. So we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, skyline down to the grass line. Next is our A, airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line down to the grass line. Next we're going to do our Y. We're going to go airplane line, slide to the grass line, airplane line, slide past the grass line down to that worm line. That's one of those long letters that go under the grass line that I was talking about. Now we need to put our finger space. Today is airplane line down to the grass line, put a dot, no lollipops. Airplane line, squaggle down to that grass line. Now we're going to put our next finger space. Today is, do you remember the date? Or the day of the week? Monday. Good. So capital M. Skyline down to the grass line. Skyline, slide to the grass line. Skyline, slide to the grass line. Skyline, slide down to the grass line. M. Next is an O. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up. N. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up and around to the grass line again. Next is a D. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line down to the grass line. M-O-N-D. Next is going to be an A. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up. airplane line down to the grass line. Now we're going to have another Y, so we're going to go airplane line, slide to the grass line. Airplane line, slide past the grass line to that worm line. Today is Monday. Okay, next we're going to be working on that month. It's going to start with a capital letter, even though it's not starting a sentence, because it's a proper noun, meaning it's the name of a specific month. So since our month is named April, and it's got a nice big capital A, and that's what we're going to write. So we're going to go skyline, slide to the grass line. Skyline, slide to the grass line, and go across that airplane line, capital A. Next, airplane line, slide down to the worm line. Another one of those low letters. Okay, airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, AP. Next is going to be our R. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, give it a hook. Okay, after that, we're going to keep on going. We have our I, so we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, give it a dot, no lollipops. Next, we're going to go airplane line down to the grass line. Today is Monday, April, finger space, and it's the 20th, so we're going to start under the skyline, go up to the skyline, slide down through the airplane line and along the grass line. April, 2, and what comes next after the 2 to make it a 20? It has 2 10s and 0 1, so it's a 0. We're going to go skyline down to the grass line, back up to the skyline. Good job. Now we're going to do our comma. We learned that we go to the grass line and give it just a little teeny hook. Not too big, not all the way down to the worm line, just a little. Okay? Next, we're going to put our next finger space in and start with another 2 for 2020. Up to the skyline, down to the grass line, and across the grass line. Next, we're going to do our 0. So we're going to go skyline, down to the grass line, back up to the skyline. Okay, start under the skyline, slide to the grass line and across. There's another 2. Skyline, down to the grass line, and right back around. And we've made 2020, and a period ends our sentence. So our sentence is, today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. All right, good job. So friends, for the last little bit, we've been working on skip counting. We've skip counted by 5s, skip counted by 10s. So we're going to work on doing the exact same thing, okay? We're going to do our 10s and we're going to do our 5s. We're going to finish that up for the whole month of April, okay? Then we're going to skip count by different numbers next month. Okay, so we're going to start. Last week we did 5s first. Today we're going to do 10s first. Then we'll go to our 5s. So we need all 10 fingers. 5 on one hand, 5 on the other. Throw them out as we count. And let's go to 100. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now let's go by 5s. I don't need both hands. I only need one. So throw out those 5s with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Oh, nice job. All right, friends. So now that we've warmed our fingers up and we're ready to go, let's do our weather song. Okay? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is there snow or is there sun? Well, friends, yesterday, which was Sunday, was rainy. It was very rainy where I was. But today is supposed to be partly sunny. Now, partly sunny we don't use too often. It's kind of the same as partly cloudy where we don't use that too often. But when something's partly sunny, it means that it's going to be mostly clouds, but we'll see little bits of sun. So today is supposed to be partly sunny, meaning a lot of clouds and a little bit of sun. Okay, so today's partly sunny. If we had a day that had lots of sun and only a little bit of clouds, then it'd be partly cloudy. So today is partly sunny because we're going to see a little bit of sun. It's going to be warmer, but still a lot of clouds. Okay, so Mrs. Rogers is going to put this right here under Monday, and we will be all set. Hopefully we'll have some weather change happening soon. We have a lot of activities that are going to come up this week. We also are going to be doing our new current event. So look for that assignment coming up, and I will see you tomorrow right here for Circle. Bye and have a great day.